Unlocking Human Potential: How AI Positively Improves Society. A presentation by Gerry Wodkins, Christopher Johnson, and Christian Ussery. This is Team 4. I'm Gerry Wodkins, so we'll hop right into everything. So, how is AI going to positively improve society? Well, today we came up with three topics that we felt were pretty key to how AI can be a positive influence on society. So, the positive impacts that we'll be discussing today are access to information. Then, Christopher is going to step in and talk about freeing up the workforce. And finally, Christian will close with discussions about enhances to education. So, getting started with access to information, I took the liberty of, you know, playing around with ChatGPT. I had a lot of fun with it with our previous project, and so the first thing that I loved about it, and that I think is really helps us to find more information and improves that access to our information, is natural language processing. As you can see here, the screenshot I took, I was able to speak to ChatGPT, and beauty there is it takes human speech. We're not having to sweat going into finding keywords. There's nothing more annoying than having to go through and see different keywords. As you can see here, as I went through, even though it doesn't have access to all the data, so it wanted to start cross-referencing keywords as I kept going around, because that's what we know. It's only pattern recognition. But still, me being able to talk to it and have a genuine conversation with AI improved. I was actually able to come up with more information about potentially a great lost relative, as you can see here in the slide, than any of our family had found in my whole life, and I'm almost 50 years old. So that kind of tells you a little bit there. So really exciting to see some of the improvements that can be made just with natural language processing. Another key component is summarization, and we see this all the time when we just do a Google search and you see the AI overview. Like earlier today, I was having to play around with my water heater, and I asked it, and this is one where I had asked it about getting a stuck screw out of my shower faucet, and it gives you just a basic summary of what you're looking for. If you have an iPhone, of course, you're seeing the summary that comes up with your emails even. So it's just making it a lot faster for you to see, okay, well, what really matters. And of course, personalization. I really didn't have a lot to put up, but I think we all kind of get the idea where personalization would come into play, where it's really catering to what you're looking for. I saw that a little bit as I was doing the search with ChatGPT, and even though I wasn't talking about my ancestor John Columbus Wodkins anymore, when I asked it about lost ships lost at sea, it was able to step in and say, "Well, hold it. You're talking about John Columbus Watkins' parents." So it was pretty cool there. But it was just a brief, summary of some of the information. So we'll turn you over now to Christopher Johnson, who will have our next topic.
Welcome to the next topic in our presentation, which encompasses how AI can change our workforce in positive ways. AI can free human workers from repetitive and menial tasks and enable them to do more complex, high-value activities. This increases productivity, expandability, and innovation. Proper utilization in the workplace would allow AI to automate routine tasks, provide faster decision-making through data insights, produce improved accuracy and efficiency, provide personalized support and solutions, and enhance creativity and innovation. Skilled employees would no longer have to be dedicated to low-value, repetitive, and menial tasks, and can dedicate their full effort to high-value, skill-related activities. AI can automate many tasks across a broad range of industries and types of work. In administrative work, AI can automate data entry and other error-prone administrative tasks, leading to fewer inaccuracies and rework, increasing the amount of time workers have for high-value activities in the workplace. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots on assembly lines produce products with higher efficiency, increased output volume, and higher and more consistent quality with fewer defects. In customer service, AI also enables the analysis of customer interactions, providing a deeper understanding of customer sentiment and intent. This data seamlessly integrates into the conversation when a human agent takes over. AI can automate a multitude of tasks such as payroll management, financial reporting, fraud detection, expense tracking, and invoice processing. Some real-life examples of how AI automation can help provide better services are: in healthcare, AI assists with diagnostics, enabling the doctor to spend more time on patient care. And in logistics, AI optimizes delivery routes, predicts demand, and automates warehouse management, allowing logistics managers to focus on improving customer service. Although artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that may aid companies in many industries in making better strategic decisions, it is becoming increasingly clear that human interaction is still necessary as AI's capabilities increase. Humans are needed to train systems, interpret results, make critical decisions, manage complex situations, oversee ethical implementation, and provide context where needed. Humans act as the guiding force behind AI, ensuring its functionality and handling issues that machines can't handle alone. This forms a more collaborative environment between human and machine. Contrary to widespread fears, the introduction of ATMs did not put bank tellers out of work. Instead, by making it less expensive to open and operate a branch, ATMs led to more bank branches opening and more bank tellers being hired. No longer required to perform the menial aspects of their job, tellers were able to focus on nurturing client relationships and other, more complex human-focused activities. Historically, automation has created new roles by replacing repetitive manual tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex, strategic, and creative tasks, which in turn led to the development of a new job positions like machine operators, maintenance technicians, software developers, data analysts, and management roles focused on overseeing automated systems, essentially shifting the workforce towards higher skilled jobs requiring problem solving and critical thinking abilities. The future focuses on a world where humans and machines interact in a way that harmonizes human creativity with machine efficiency, creating a more fulfilling work environment focused on innovation and growth. In conclusion, some of the key takeaways are that AI complements human capabilities rather than replacing them, enables human workers to do what humans do best, high-value operations, and that a workforce partnered with AI is an opportunity for greater productivity rather than a threat to our existence. Please visit these publications for a more in-depth look at AI and its effects on our workforce.
Good day, everyone. Today I will be presenting on how artificial intelligence is enhancing education. Here in this presentation, we'll explore some of the ways in which AI is transforming many different aspects of education and making it more personalized and efficient. Starting off with personalized learning, one of the most significant ways AI is enhancing education is through personalized learning. AI systems can analyze individual students' performance, identify strengths and weaknesses, and adjust content to match each student's learning pace. This personalized approach allows students to learn at their own speed and receive targeted support. For example, platforms like Khan Academy or Duolingo use AI to tailor their lessons and provide instant feedback. This ensures students are constantly challenged and engaged. Next, we have automating administrative tasks. AI can also be helpful to educators by automating repetitive administrative tasks. Writing assignments, managing schedules, and even handling student inquiries can now be done more efficiently with the help of AI. By automating these tasks, teachers have more time to focus on what truly matters, which is engaging with students and providing quality instruction. Next up, we have smart classrooms. AI is also making classrooms smarter. Tools such as interactive whiteboards, AI-powered virtual assistants, and smart teaching aids are improving classroom interaction. For instance, AI-assisted classrooms can help answer students' questions or provide additional explanations when needed. This creates a more interactive and dynamic learning environment. The next slide is enhanced accessibility. In addition to benefiting students in general, AI is also enhancing accessibility for students with disabilities. AI tools can provide features such as text-to-speech for visually impaired students, speech-to-text for hearing impaired students, or even real-time sign language translation. These technologies can help make education more inclusive and ensure that every student, regardless of their abilities, has equal access to learning resources. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing education, whether through personalized learning, automation, or improved accessibility. AI is making education more effective and inclusive. As AI technologies continues to advance, we can expect even more innovations that will shape the future of education for both teachers and students. Here are the sources I referenced in this presentation. If you're interested in learning more about how AI is shaping education, these articles and reports provide additional insights and examples.